Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jay, and today I got Magic Origins Deck Builders Tool. And this should have, it says 285 cards. Let's see, it's got 125 semi-randomized cards, 4 15-pack boosters, 100 basic lands, and there's a deck builder's guide, a rule reference card, and a full art reusable storage box. Go ahead and get this open. And this one's probably going to be a two-parter. I'll show you everything in the box, and then I'll open the packs in a separate video. Let's see if I can figure out how to open the box. Okay, there's just some random junk cardboard. Let's see, that's the basic lands. And this is probably the artifacts and lands. And I'm not sure what that one is. And then there's another one. Plus there's the, let's see, it's like a poster and the help guide. And a rules reference card. And then we got Magic Origins, Fate Reforged, Dragons of Tarkir, and Journey into Nyx. So those are the ones I'm going to open up in a separate video. And it actually looks like we might have a little visitor sneaking in on camera. Come here. Come here. Say hello. Willa. There's our pet bird, Willa. I'm trying to steal a show here. Let's see. I'll just quickly open up these lands and show you what comes in. See if I can get her to pipe the string. She hears this plastic and she thinks it's time to eat. Okay, we just got some basic lands. Nothing really too spectacular in this one. Somebody is eager to open up them packs. Okay, go ahead and open up this one. See, she thinks it's food. Say, no, you can't eat magic cards. No, you can't eat them. I'm sure you'll try, though. Okay, we got an Aegis Angel. Muhammadet Jinn. Nightmare. Shivan Dragon. Terror Stomper. Sarah Angel. Silk Wrap. Divine Verdict. Eagle of the Watch. A Blaster Kirin. Celestial Flare. Erase. Feet of Resistance. Avian Skirmish. Artful Maneuver. Pessimist. Frostwalker. Into the Void. We Fate. Disdainful Stroke. Claustrophobia. Singing Bell Strike. Fairy Miscreant. Aven Surveyor. Anticipate. Elusive Spellfist. Negate. Oh, there we go. Singar Vampire. Ultimate Price. Mind Rot. Flesh to Dust. Reeve Soul. A Deadbridge Shaman. Debilitating Injury. Hooded Assassin. Typhnoid Rats. Flatten. Hand of Silmagar. Arc Lightning. Wild Slash. Fiery Hellhound. Act of Treason. Dragon Fodder. Pricklebore. Trumpet Blast. Bathe in Dragonfire. Mardu Scout. That's a pretty cool looking card. Tormenting Voice. Twin Bolt. Okay, it looks like we're onto the green. Is Prized Unicorn. Heir of the Wilds. Elvish Visionary. Nisa's Pilgrimage. Titanic Growth. Plummet. Dragonscale Boon. Neutralize. Enoch Guide. Whisper of the Wilds. And Colossadon Yearling. And some of them cards I kind of remember from when I used to play way back in the day, like the Singar Vampire. It was pretty cool to see that one again. Okay, we'll move on to this next randomized pack. Let's see, Spider Silk Net. There's some of the lands. There's a Bloodfell Caves. There's a couple of those. Blossoming Sands. Dismal Backwater. Jungle Hollow. Rugged Highlands. Scourged Barrens. Swiftwater Cliffs. Thornwood Falls. Tranquil Cove. Windscarred Crag. Okay, there's some more just regular lands. Okay, let's separate these out. I'll put my lands over there. Okay, let's move on to whatever's in this pack. Maybe. The tear strip on this one does not work at all. Okay, I'm going to start with on this one. We have Evolving Wilds. Totem Guide Heart Beast. A Blight Caster. A Blood Curse Knight. Sage's Reverie. An Infernal Scarring. A Fetid Imp. Aromancer. Debilitating Injury. An Ancestral Vengeance. Pessimist. Evolving Wilds. Ravaging Blaze. And Goblin Slide. That's another one of those funny looking cards. If it'll focus. Focus. There we go. Master the Way. That's a pretty cool looking card. Skywise Teachings. Fiery Impulse. Send to Sleep. Cancel. Cunning Strike. Elusive Spellfist, Twin Bolt, another Evolving Wilds, Velron Wardens, Citadel Castellan, a Bazin Falconeer, Incremental Growth, Enshrouding Mist, Tobin Freeblade, Parika's Disciple, Rocks Maulers, Dragonscale Boon, Sandblast, another Evolving Wilds, there's a few of those in here, Merciless Executor, Silmagar Sorcerer, Youthful Scholar, Rakasha Gravecaller, Macabre Waltz, Deadbridge Shaman, Whisk Away, Gurmag Drowner, Sidishi's Faithful, and last up we have a Dutiful Attendant. Okay, and that's going to be it for this video, and make sure you tune in next video for the opening of these 4 packs. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.